All right, now we're going to move on to the last part of the benchmark. We're just solving for y equals mx plus b. There's two questions like that, and there's two questions where it's all letters. So we're going to start with this. We always want to solve for y. So if you remember that song, it's add or subtract the x term. So we're going to subtract the x term in this case because it's a positive. So we're going to get rid of the 4x, copy what's left, 2y equals 8 minus 4x. You cannot combine these. They are not like terms. An 8 cannot be combined with an x. 2 is connected to the y by multiply, so I'm going to divide, and I need to divide on this whole side. So there, we're left with y alone, which is what I want. And then all we have to do is finish dividing. So 8 divide 2 is 4, and 4 divide 2 is 2. So I just simplified that. And if you think about it, it's really 8 over 2 minus 4 over 2x. All I did was divide those, okay? So go ahead and try this one on your own. See how you did. So again, we want to get y alone, so we get rid of the x term. This case, we're going to add it because it's negative. So we're left with 3y equals 6 plus 5x. 3 is connected to y by multiply. We have to divide on this whole side. So it's with y equals, and technically remember we're doing 6 divide 3 and 5 divide 3x. The only number we can actually divide is the 6 divide 3, which gives me 2. And if we don't know it, we just leave it as a fraction. So that is what your answer should look like. All right, and then the last type on your benchmarks are solving literal equations. There's two questions like that. So they look similar to this. So you always want to circle the variable you're solving for. In this case, we're solving for t. R is connected to t by multiply, so the opposite is to divide. Think of it as if it were a number. So we're going to divide by r, that's gone. And it took one step to solve, and we just copy our answer. We don't have to combine anything, we just leave it. So the next one is this one. We want to solve for r. We need to get rid of the 2 pi, and again, everything next to each other is being multiplied, so the opposite is to divide. So we're going to divide by 2 pi. Our final answer is r equals, and we just copy c divided by 2 pi. Nothing fancy. Okay? All right, go ahead and try this one on your own, and we'll see how you did. All right, so this one is the trickiest one. We want to get rid of solve for b. So we have to get rid of a first because it's what's being added. So we're going to subtract a. We cannot combine the y and the a because they're two different things. So we just write y minus a. We're left with bx over here. We still want to get b alone. It's connected to x by multiply. So the opposite is to divide. And again, we never have to simplify anything on this type. So we just leave it as y minus a over x. All right, hopefully that helps, and you can retake the benchmark soon.